patient, patiently, and you could have risen.
With thy walls thou hast disturbed our sport. Therefore,
Perfect, and everyone gets like some bad points of personality, and you have to help the other person to get better with it.
Demetrius, you're forgetting about Helena. Helena still loves you very much. You broke her heart. That was a long time ago. It was a mistake. You're going to marry me, Henrietta. Your father wants it and I want it.
This man! Which man? This man!
You must help me.
Don't worry, my
To in the woods, where Sandra is a good man too. I love him. I don't want to marry Demetrius.
I agree. Hermes' father likes Demetrius. Would you marry him?
I will fight you for that. Stop, Demetrius. I can't marry that man. I love you, Lysandra, not Demetrius. You're so lucky, Hermia. Demetrius loves you. He doesn't love me. And he wants to marry you.
Yes, I will tell Demetrius Hermia's plan, and he'll go after